Hello and welcome to my channel. This is How to Scholar. Today we'll be looking at payment for registration of examination center status. So let's say we've registered a school, then we want that school to have an examination center number so that our pupils can sit for their exams at our school. Okay, so these are the requirements, as you can see. Okay, so the requirements that will be required are to attach a letter from the PEO or DEB's office. I'm not sure what PEO is, but I do know where the DEB's office is from the town I'm in. After a query is approved, so that's the letter. Oh, so we'll need that later to attach at the end. Okay, so after a query is approved, the institution will be required to pay as follows. So for grade 7, we'll be required to pay 3,600. So what we only need to attach is the letter from the DEB's office. So if it's grade 9, it's 4,000, or grade 7, 3,600, grade 9, 4,800, grade 12, 7,200, GCE will be required, 7,800. Teacher education will be required to pay 14,400. Okay, let's just scroll down. So you choose the service center where you collect your document. So that's Gateway, District, so the district of the school is Ndola. The certificate level, let's say grade 9. So since it's the first time we are registering the institution, we have to put the name of the school. So How to Scholar. Okay, then center code, so now the center code, that's the part I'm not sure, but I'll try and find out where you get the center code from. So now the exam year, we enter the exam year. I think once you go to the DEBs, they should be able to provide a center code. Okay, so the applicant details, I'm the one that's applying for this, so I'll put my names there. So this is just an example. Then John there, so John Doe. Okay, then the phone number there and my email address. Then I'll have to attach the letter from the DEB's office, then just click on agree and submit. So once this is approved, I receive the message on my number that I've placed here that it has been approved. I'll be required to pay, that's 4,800 kwacha for it to be approved and given that access to a examination center status. Okay, so we're done with this video. Let's move to the next one.